Home remedies for asthma. Before we go further, you need to know what is asthma. You may be hearing about it, you may be a patient, but you might not know the meaning, and you might not know what's exactly wrong with you. Asthma is a condition in which a person's airway became inflamed, narrow, and swell and produce extra mucus, which make it difficult to breathe. If you have severe asthma and your regular medication don't seem to providing the relief you need, you may be curious whether there is not anything that can cure it. But fortunately, some natural remedies may be able to cure it and generally improve the quality of your life. Once again, don't forget that earth is wet, and have this in mind when you are watching the video. This is not like home video, and this is not like game video. This type of video who will give you happiness, who will heal you from your illness. So concentrate more. And any prescriptions I wrote down on this thing, all of them have been confirmed, working perfectly. But don't forget, this is not food. Make sure you keep it out of children, and put it in mind, this is not side play. This is not just a route, it's a medicine. Make sure you follow the protocol. Now let's continue. You need to know the sign of asthma attack. Asthma attack may be minor, but it can become dangerous very quickly. During an attack, the airway narrow due to swelling and inflammation, and the muscles around them tighten. The body also produces extra mucus, restricting the air passing through the bronchial tubes, which make it very difficult to breathe properly. Signs of asthma attack include coughing that won't stop, wheezing when breathing out, shortness of breath, very rapid breathing, pale sweating face. Treating symptoms quickly may help prevent an asthma attack from getting worse. Steps to take immediately. During an asthma attack, there is a certain step you need to take immediately. These are: do your best to keep calm. Take a pull off your rescue medication inhaler. Stand or sit up straight. Stand up can help increase airflow compared to sitting or lie down. A peak flow meter measures airflow from your lung and can help determine if your symptoms are getting better. Don't drive yourself to hospital. Call 911 if you are alone. Keep taking pull off on the inhaler until the help arrives. Please make sure you subscribe to this channel, and please again make sure you concentrate a lot on this video. I said earlier, and I still saying it again, this is not home video. And again, it surprised me a lot when I see a lot of people watching home video, but for them to watch and listen to something that will make their life better is very somehow hard for them. Please concentrate on this video. I said it again, this is not home video. Thank you. Causes of asthma. Asthma often develops from the immune system responding to an allergen in the environment. Reaction may vary between different people, possibly due to genetics. Symptoms can fly up in an asthma attack. Common asthma triggers include animal fur, dust, mud, pollen, smoke, including tobacco smoke. Causes of asthma. Air pollution, cold air, emotion like stress that can cause hyperventilation, having the flu or cold, physical exercise, pet hair, pollution, smoke from burning grass or wood, acid reflux, stomach acid flow back to food pipe and cause heartburn. That is cause heartburn. Certain fragrance, spray, perfume, dust, mud, cockroach, sinus, allergies and infections, bad weather, thunderstorm, high humidity, bad air quality. Note: put this thing in mind. If you don't regularly manage your asthma, such as with preventive medication, you may also be more likely to have asthma attack. Preventing asthma attack. The best way to prevent asthma attack is to avoid non-irritants. The most effective things you can do in your home is to remove or reduce your known triggers. Depending on your specific trigger, way to minimize them may include keeping your house clean to reduce dust and mud, keeping window closed and stay inside if air quality is poor, quitting smoke if you smoke, and avoid second-hand smoke, avoiding burning wood in a stove or fireplace, bathing your pet weekly and keep them out of your bedroom. Now we have discussed what is asthma. We have known the causes and how to prevent it. Because we have to talk about those things because it helps a lot. Now we need to talk about the home remedies. A herb that you can take. You can mix the combination of herb that can take care of asthma. Not the one that will suppress it, but the one that will cure it 100%. 1. Garlic. If you look at every prescription I write on this, all the ingredients you need, I have put the picture above. You will see the picture so that you will be able to find those things in a shop or in a market nearby. Garlic has several health benefits, including anti-inflammatory property. You eat raw or add it to your daily food. It helps a lot to suppress and to cure asthma. Ginger. Ginger is another herb that contains anti-inflammatory property and may help with severe asthma. A 2013 study showed that total ginger supplements were linked to an improvement in asthma symptoms. Honey. Honey is frequently used in cold remedy to help soothe the throat and reduce coughing. You can mix honey with a hot beverage like herbal tea to provide relief for your symptoms. Acupuncture. Acupuncture is a form of ancient Asian medicine that involves place small needle into specific point on the body. This acupuncture is a traditional something or traditional Ayurveda that has been existing in the Asian country for so long. Asian countries like China, Japan, Korean, they are experts on this acupuncture. Though some Westerners, they have knowledge of it. Although I don't think it's very much in Africa that know about it and some part of the world. But I'm sure of it. China, Japan, Korea, they are the best on this acupuncture. And this acupuncture is very comprehensive. Not everybody can do it. Any mistake can lead to death, can lead to paralysis, can lead to stroke. So if an expert is doing this, it's a thing that they must be concentrated because it has to do with veins. Acupuncture is a form of Asian medicine that involves placing small needle into specific points on the body. Long-time benefits of acupuncture have not yet been proven to be effective against asthma. But some people with asthma do find that acupuncture helps to improve air flow and manage symptoms like chest pain. Take steam bath. What I mean by steam bath is like a room, or there's a technology that have steam bath. Some part of Africa like Nigeria, like some places you can find them and make use of it. I know that very well, and most of European countries is very common. Steam baths are often used to alleviate nasal and chest congestion. Steam treatments are not a treatment for asthma but can definitely improve condition. Steam baths can provide moisture to your airways, relieve you of the congestion, help you to get rid of accumulated mucus, and let you breathe more freely. So steam bath help a lot for asthma patients. Black seed. This spice is also known as Nigella sativa. Some studies trusted sources suggest that it has medicinal benefits, including reducing asthma symptoms. One study trusted source examined prior research on black seed and asthma to assess its effectiveness. The study concluded that prior research showed the black seed may help asthma symptoms, inflammation, and airway function. Number 7. This is a combination of root, and this has been confirmed in some part of the world, like China and some of Africa countries know about this. The combination of these two roots, this root plant, that is mushroom, licorice root, and sulfur root. Blend mushroom, licorice root, sulfur root. After blend of this root, mix it with honey and lick it in the morning, afternoon, and night. You can also dry the root above and grind it to powder form. Take full spoon powder of this grounded mixture and mix it with bee honey. and lick this mixture 3 times a day for good 30 days till you see changes. Remember, this is a medicine. Combination of this herb can reduce airway constriction and inflammation and keep your cortisol level up, unlike steroid medication. Egg cell, honey. This is also a combination. Now get plenty egg cell, either cook or uncook, as you see in the picture. Place it under the sun to dry and grind to powder. Take full spoon powder of this grounded egg cell and mix with bee honey and lick this mixture 3 times a day for good 30 days or more, or until you see changes. But the honey, make sure it came from bee fly, not the one they made from other root or other plants. Number 9, get plenty maize stick flour. The flour, unplanted maize that look like rice leaf on the top. Dry it with sun and grind it to powder form and mix it with palm oil top layer and lick this mixture 3 times a day till you see changes. If you look at the picture on this, you will see arrow is pointing to the maize plant. That is maize stick. That's what we need. And if you look at the palm oil top layer, if you look at the palm oil very well, you will see that they are in two form. The down one is a cloud a little bit. The upper one is somehow shiny. You need the top one. Put it in something like this ceramic that you see next to the cake. Number 10, fluid of snail or snail fluid and honey. Collect the fluid of a snail and mix it with equal amount of pure honey. Note, break bottom of a snail and the fluid will automatically come out. Drink 2 spoons 3 times daily for good 30 days plus. This is a picture of a snail and this is a picture of honey. Look at the bottom of that snail, how they break it, and look at the water that came out from it. That is the water you want. You don't need to kill the snail. If you break that bottom, that doesn't mean that the snail will die. It can still live, and the water must come out from there. That's the water you need. Number 11, get 10 to 15 wonderful cola. Then get 20 to 25 bitter cola. Get garlic, a bunch of garlic that is equal to the item mentioned before. Then cut the bitter cola and wonderful cola into pieces. Put them inside bottle or plastic that has mouth cover. Add 35 cl bottle of honey and 35 cl of orange juice. Allow this mixture to ferment like 24 hours. Drink 2 spoons 3 times daily for good 30 days plus, or after you see a lot of changes that you are okay, you can stop using it. Number 12, get plenty inner seed of mango fruit. The inner seed, there's a mango. The white seed inside it, or some of it may be green. get it, then cut it into pieces and keep under the sun to dry. Don't keep it on top of your cooking pot or anything fire, but dry with sun. Then grind it to powder form. Then pour 1 spoon of this powder inside warm water and drink it early morning till you get heat, or mix with honey and take 3 times a day. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel.